So hello guys, today we are here at Gitatap College and we are going to give you a complete campus tour. In this video, we are going to give you a complete campus tour, student reviews and honest final verdict. So let's begin. So let's begin with the student introduction.
Hi, my name is Harshita.
And what's your name?
Hi, my name is Kashish Agrawal.
Which course you study here?
BBLLB.
BBLLB.
Okay, so first of all, tell me about the fees of BBLLB.
It's a very nominal amount, 1,40,000 only. And I think according to other colleges, it's very convenient for each and every student.
Do you think the fees is worth it?
Yes, because they provide books also for our studies, and apart from these, we have very curricular activities in which they do not take any charges for that.
So what's the highest package here in your course?
It's 20 lakh per annum.
And average?
4 lakh per annum.
Recruiters are mainly from?
Top legal firms like Kunal Khurana firm. There we have one more firm like
RN
RN Associates.
Can you give us a bits of the campus life and the fest life here?
Yeah, the fest life is really good. We do have a fest, whole day fest. We have star night, various competitions which includes cultural activities, and we also have a good campus life because we are provided with lot many of co-curricular activities apart from our annual fest.
Apart from studies, what other activities can you enroll in?
We have various number of clubs like courtroom club, NSS club, music clubs, etc. मतलब जिस किसी बच्चे को किसी चीज में भी इंटरेस्ट हो वो उसमें एनरोल कर सकता है. हमारे पास वैरायटी ऑफ क्लब है जो बाकी कॉलेजेस में नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास आर्ट का भी क्लब है, हमारे पास म्यूजिक का भी क्लब है, हमारे पास स्पोर्ट्स का भी क्लब है. तो मतलब वर्सटैलिटी चाहिए हो किसी भी चीज में. अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक सब चीज है यहाँ पे, और उसमें कॉम्पिटिशन होते हैं जो कि हम अपने सीवी में रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो उससे पता चलता है कि हाँ बच्चा ऑलराउंडर है, वो एक ही जगह पे लिमिटेड नहीं है किसी भी चीज को लेके.
What would you like to say about student and faculty interaction?
I would say like in other colleges we don't have such good interaction, but in this college I feel like the faculty is really good and we feel comfort when we ask questions from them. Like they are always active and always available for us within the college hours, and there are some faculties which help us out of their college hours. So I think we have a very good bond with our faculty.
How supportive do you think your faculties and your college is about internships and job?
They are very cooperative with us. They provide as much knowledge as they can give us, and they are very helpful also towards us because they sometimes correct us when we are doing wrong, and they just nurture us like we are their own children.
That's very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, what's your name?
Myself, Aryan Pandey.
Okay, which course?
I'm in MBA second year.
Aryan, tell me about your fees.
My total fee is around 4.5 LPA.
Okay, do you think the fees is worth it?
I believe the kind of facilities they are providing, it's worth.
Okay, what kind of facilities are you getting?
Like we have industry visits, like we have practical experiences and all, and we do have various seminars and webinars, and we do participate in international university events and all. So that's why I'm saying.
What about the placements? अभी तक highest package, average package क्या जा रहा है?
Okay, talking about the placement, the highest package of this college is around 20 LPA, and talking about the average of placement, it's around 4.5 LPA.
Recruiters majorly कहाँ से आते हैं MBA के?
Recruiters are various MNCs like Deloitte, EY, Accenture, and we had last year our highest placement of there in Wipro.
What else would you like to say about your campus life and your fest life, or all types of facilities you are getting here?
Okay, talking about the campus life, it's really fantastic because we have so many facilities like we have Audi, we have conference hall, we have various sports facilities like we have 8-ball pool, we have badminton facilities and all. So campus life is quite pretty amazing. And talking about events and all, our college usually conduct various events like annual fest where various celebrities, like this year only one of the famous singer came in annual fest summit. So it is kind of very amazing.
Is the college more strict towards your attendance, like कि 75% का criteria maintain करना है?
As I'm pursuing post graduation program, so I don't think my college usually they are lenient about this. They say you can go for the internship and all, so they allow.
Your college provide internships, or do you have to find it on your own?
My college provides internship. In fact, our placement cell helps us in grabbing quite good internship.
Okay, what's your final verdict about Geeta Ratan?
My final verdict would be it's good college. It's worth taking admission college. So
Thank you so much. So what's your name?
Kritika Chopra.
Hi Kritika. Which course you are pursuing here?
LLM.
LLM. Kritika, tell me about the fees of LLM here first of all.
The fees is 1,65,000 annually.
Okay, do you think the fees is worth it?
Yes, it sure is. I would say because
Why?
because it's not too much. As in, मतलब अगर कोई छोटे भी like you know like a middle class person can easily afford 1,65,000. I feel like, and even जो बाकी के जो colleges हैं, I feel like they charge too much. And our college is not charging that much as per the other colleges.
What facilities are you getting here?
You get all the different kind of clubs over here. Then there is infrastructure and there is also good food. I would say canteen because we all enjoy time in our canteen, right? So plus teachers are good. Like I have interacted with my faculty and they all are very very friendly and I really enjoy like talking to them, asking them questions that I feel like are needed for my course and different things. So yeah.
As LLM is a post-graduation course and it's basically all about research. So how do you think, how much is your faculty supportive and how do they help you in all these research materials and all?
Our faculty is actually very very helpful. Like we can talk and ask them anything we want like at any time during the obviously college hours. We'll ask them, but they are actually very supportive to us. Like they'll tell us what we are lacking behind and also will also tell us what is good and what is not in our research paper, and they would also help us in like publishing the papers, and they will also collaborate with us sometimes.
What projects are you currently working on?
I am actually working on a research paper, and while I'm also doing the internship outside.
Okay, so on which project or research paper you are working recently?
I'm actually working on a project which is AI impact on the IT Act in India.
Okay, that sounds interesting. And what about internships?
I'm doing an internship currently which is provided by my college itself. So yeah, it's under an advocate that I have been very interactive with, and personally college has helped a lot with the internship as well.
That sounds really nice. Okay, what's your final verdict about LLM?
It's nice. It's a 1-year course and it's like not very tough as because faculty is काफ़ी ज़्यादा helpful है. Like even if there's like confusion in something और कुछ भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल लग रहा है या फिर कुछ भी है तो they'll come and help you, and even if you are not able to share it with them, they will definitely share it with you. Like they'll ask you what's the problem, if there is anything, like they'll actually look at your progress and what is happening with you. So yeah.
Thank you so much. So what's your name?
My name is Aryan Goyal,
Hi Aryan, which course?
BBA,
Which year?
second year.
Okay, Aryan, tell me about the fees of BBA in Geetaradan.
It's for 1.57 lakh annually.
Okay, do you think it's worth it?
Yes, totally worth it.
How do you think it's worth it?
We have industry visits like Yakult, we have gone, and we have top recruiters also like Amazon, Airtel, FirstCry, and Bajaj Finserv, etc. And also the computer lab, we have the library, we have canteen, we have so much thing, and I think so it is also worth it.
Okay, tell me about the placements. Highest package, average package.
The highest package is 20 LPA and the average is 4.5 LPA.
Okay, what about the campus life here? What other facilities do you get except from academics?
So we have different clubs like Lakshya, NSS, Mindbenders, Abhinay, the Dramatic Society and the Atmasmadan, and also I am the village head of NSS. So yeah, we have different clubs also. The students can participate in different clubs like management club, or the sports club, etc. And many of the facilities we have also in the colleges except for academy.
Does your college provide internships or you have to find it all on your own?
Our college provide internships also.
So अभी recently आपके कॉलेज ने कहाँ पे internship provide करी है students को?
Paytm, Lenskart and Axis Bank. The final verdict is we have good campus life, we have good opportunities of internships, and we have a good placement cell, and students must take admission. Thank you.
Okay, so let's begin. What's your name
I'm Tanishq Dikshit.
and yours?
Myself Rudra.
So which course you both are from?
We are from BLLB integrated.
What's the fees?
It's 1,60,000. Like we get everything practical exposure.
शांत हो जाओ, relax हो जाओ. Do you think the fees is worth it? And if yes, then why?
Actually, I do think the fees is worth it because the practical exposure we get here and the education the teachers are providing us, it's very good. That's why I think the fees is obviously worth it.
Okay, do you have mooting sessions here? Like all the practical exposure do you get?
Yes, we have particularly a subject of moot court and legal research, जिसमें हमें moot court के बारे में बताया जाता है, legal research कैसे करते हैं, participation कैसे करते हैं, और हमारे कॉलेज में कई सारे competitions भी होते हैं जिसमें moot courts के बारे में बताते हैं. real judges आते हैं, जैसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कई जजेस आ रखे हैं हमारे कॉलेज में. जस्टिसिया होता है, उसमें भी हमारे चीफ गेस्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ही जज थे.
Yes, we practice over real cases and फिर हमने जो भी recent case हुआ है उसके बारे में बताना है जिसके ऊपर आपने कहा बस.
Yes, we have debate on recent cases like the Pune Ports case. You must have heard. So we have debated on that topic also.
Okay, have you done internships under any advocate or judge?
या नियर बाय रोहिणी कोर्ट मैंने अपनी इंटर्नशिप करी थी फर्स्ट ईयर की, जिसमें मेरे एक नोन थे जो प्रवीण राणा एडवोकेट है, वो रोहिणी कोर्ट में ही है और ये कॉलेज भी हमारे क्या रोहिणी कोर्ट से नियर बाय है, तो हमारे कन्वेंस का भी ज़्यादा झंझट नहीं लगता और हमारे कॉन्टेक्ट्स भी अच्छे बनते हैं उससे।
Do you have inter-college competitions over laws, debates and something like that?
Recently we had our inter-college competition with other IPU colleges, and yes,
What's your final verdict?
दिस इज़ वर्थ ही टू टेक एडमिशन इन दिस कॉलेज, क्योंकि हमने जैसे हम भी नए नए बच्चे आए थे तो हमें भी इतना सब कुछ पता नहीं था मूट कोर्ट के बारे में, लीगल रिसर्च के बारे में। यहाँ के फैकल्टीज़ बहुत अच्छे हैं, यहाँ के सीनियर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, जो 3rd ईयर 4th ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने हमारी बहुत हेल्प करी कि हमें रिसर्च कैसे करनी है, मूट कैसे करने हैं। फैकल्टीज़ भी 1-on-1 सेशन भी देते हैं, लेक्चर्स तो होते ही है, उसके बाद भी हेल्प करते हैं, पर्सनली भी कॉन्टैक्ट हम उनसे करते हैं तो वो हेल्प मिल जाती है। तो ये मेरे हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा एक कॉलेज में है जो हमारी नीड होती है ये।
Thank you so much. From my personal opinion, यहाँ की फीस, यहाँ का कैंपस, यहाँ का टीचिंग स्टाइल और प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर सब बहुत अच्छा है। अगर आपको इस कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है तो आप हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर, या फिर आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी बता सकते हो। और मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक ऐड कर रही हूँ, आप वहाँ पे अपनी क्वेरी फिल आउट कर सकते हैं।